Okay, now I'm outside with the Campbell and Hausfeld Power Pal portable air compressor. We're going to plug it in, make sure it builds up pressure. I do believe I have the bottom release still open, so we're going to end up closing that once it does start running and building up a little bit of pressure. So I'm going to have to pause the camera, need 2 hands to plug this in, and we'll see what happens. I did add some Teflon tape on the line between the actual compressor head and the tank. The black line there is the pressure line to shut the pump off. Okay, unfortunately, it's a fail. There is a pinhole in the tank. So I briefly showed it there. I thought it was the valve on the bottom, just spraying out air, but no, there is a hole right there. Really, it doesn't look that bad overall, but yeah, right here. It looks like even someone just drilled a hole right there. I don't know if JB Weld would handle that or not. So, it's unfortunate. It's a nice little air compressor, but it's got a hole in it. When I stuck the inspection camera in here, there was a stopper, so it did not go all the way through and into it. So, I'll have to think about that. I don't know about welding a sealed container like this. I could grind it down and put some JB Weld on it, but I don't think the JB Weld would hold. If anyone has any suggestions, I'm open to them. I'm not going to scrap this just yet if it is scrap, but that is definitely unfortunate. Everything else around it seems good, except for that one little bad spot, or a hole that someone drilled in there for some reason. Now, it's solid. I'm almost half tempted to drive a screw in there, a self-tapping screw, just to see if it will hold and attempt to pump it up. We'll see. So talk to me later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment.